case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2002, the Colorado Supreme Court heard the case Brush Grocery Kart Inc. v. Surefine Market Inc. The case focused on the principle that a buyer of real property assumes the risk of casualty loss, such as damage caused by natural disasters like hail or fire, unless the loss occurred due to the seller's negligence. The dispute between Brush and Surefine began in 1992 when the two companies signed a lease with a purchase option for a property. When Brush exercised its option to purchase the property, the parties could not agree on a final price, leading Brush to sue Surefine for failing to negotiate in good faith. The court declared that Brush had the right to specific performance of the contract with a reduced purchase price to account for the casualty loss. Brush was considered an equitable owner and therefore bore the risk of loss, despite not having the right to possess and maintain the property during the executory period of the contract. This was based on the principle that if a vendee suffers a material casualty loss during a contract executory period and has no right of possession, they must be allowed to rescind and recover payments, provided the loss wasn't their fault. The Court of Appeals initially upheld the lower court's decision, but the Colorado Supreme Court later reversed it. The Supreme Court sided with Brush, stating that it had the right to terminate the contract due to not being an equitable owner during the casualty loss. However, Brush chose not to terminate, entitling them to specific performance with a reduced purchase price. The case was sent back for further proceedings, with the appeals court's decision overturned.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.